We all know and love Black & Decker, and they definitely did not disappoint with this handheld rechargeable vacuum. It's great because it sits up on its own, and when it is charging, it does the same thing. It just comes with a little pod. We always have this one in the corner in our living room because I love this one for our couches, for desks, and for the car. It's really great because it has this extender here, which will get into those crevices, those hard to reach places that you cannot. It just locks into place, and then we push it back in top there. And this part here also flips up, so you have the little brush for any of those deep cleans. And the coolest part about this is this actually will turn completely around. It just locks into place, so I actually don't have to change the way I am holding the vacuum. The nozzle flips around for me, so it can go all the way around. So that's great. To empty it, you just squish the two buttons on the side and empty out right there. If you have anything bigger that you actually can't get to, you click the button on the handle for where the filter is, and you can remove and change the filter. And of course, if there's anything stuck on the bottom, you can just grab that as well. So it makes it very, very simple. And it's got some really, really great power. Let's check it out. We've made a little spill here. Look at that. Sorry, Walter. It cleans up all of those messes.